easier.
A little bit, yeah. Just stay away from the tall grass.
I don't know if I have any bait left now. I think I hit hard.